Okay, Libra, kamusta? Welcome back sa iyong love reading. Tingnan natin ang iyong energies, outcome, at saka advice. So we have here addiction, codependent, obsession, position, controlling. So yung iba sa inyo guys, meron addiction, or pwedeng meron siyang obsession, pwede sa sugal, or depende po, marami pong klase ang addiction. So meron din tayong here I like you, someone likes you, romance is blooming, fun flirting, want to date. So meron pong tao na may nagkakagusto sa inyo. We have here the dragonfly, be lighthearted, finding out, things coming to light, adapt, change, heal. Pwedeng may nabago sa inyo. So, may nag-transform. So, bakit po may addiction? We have here the sun, Nine of Pentacles, Knight of Swords. So, kung galing po kayo sa breakup, ito ay nagsasabi na papunta na kayo sa healing or unti-unting yung ibinabangon ng iyong sarili. Okay? Hindi rin po siya nagpapakatotoo. Matry din po yung person mo. Mahal niyo yung isa't isa eh. Tingnan natin bakit may I like you. Ayan, napakita na. Queen of Wands, Four of Cups, Queen of Cups, kaya lang reverse. Pwede itong person ay independent, magnetic, attractive. So pwede rin ikaw to o pwede yung person na nagugustuhan mo. So kaya, may I like you. Nag-hold pa kayo sa nakaraan nyo. So kung single ka naman, parang mayroon kayong nawala. May nagkaroon kasi ng insecurities or kung baga nawala ng tiwala ang bawat isa. So kung ang inisip mo ay bakit nawalan ka o bakit nagkaganito. So, ang kailangan mo daw ay to regain emotional balance before it strains your partnership. So, huwag masyadong mag-focus sa nawala. Kundi, i-regain mo yung sarili mo para magkaroon ka uli ng independence. So, clarify the dragonfly. The Fool, Eight of Cups, Knight of Wands. Guys, Libra, meron po kayong The Fool, number 0. Meron po kayong New Beginnings. So, ang The Dragonfly kasi, may transformation, ang iba sa inyo, pwede. So, ayan, mayroon bagong umpisa. May person na, exciting at saka bagong relationship. So, Eight of Cups kasi parang wala ka ng gusto mo nang mabago, walang progress. Yung mga nasa in relationship, sinasuggest ng barahan na you and your partners kailangan po ng mag-invest ng time and effort. Pwedeng mag-embark kayo ng new adventures together. Laliman pa daw ang inyong samahan. So, tingnan natin kung sino itong person. So, Libra, meron tayong miracles and blessings. Everything has its gift. So, baka ito. So, baka ito na po yung hinihintay nyo. Pwede rin po itong panibagong person. Okay? Lesson learned. Past lives will reunite with our loved ones over and over again through many different lives. Okay, so pwedeng ex nyo na to, Libras. But it doesn't have to be the case. So, meron din tayong clarity. Take time to think about your situation to gain clarity. Okay, so kailangan nyo ng clarity. Okay. So, tingnan natin anong mensahe ng person mo. Ang mensahe niya sa'yo, blooming ka ngayon. So, kaya na lang kung kung sino yung blooming. Love advice. So, meron tayong love advice for ya. Very soon, clearly decide what you want so that it comes to you now. So, mag-decision na po kayo guys. Kasi very soon, parating na po. Okay, we have here religious factors. Your love life is influenced by your religious upbringing and spiritual path. Meron kasi kayong new beginnings. So, parang may spiritual awakening ka. So, meron po kayong changes. Anong initials ng iyong person? Okay, letter S, letter T, letter D, letter U, letter V, Q, A, at saka F. So, meron po tayong energy ni Aquarius, Earth signs, Fire, Water signs. So, yun lang naman ang para sa inyo. Thank you for liking, subscribing, and commenting. Spread love and hate to anyone. I love you all. Thank you and God bless.